Okay, hello guys. I hope you're doing well today. So we're back on NQ. Today I had to change the platform because I just realized that the trading view wasn't providing me what I needed. For example, I needed cumulative delta. I missed yesterday really nice chance because of the lack of information. I'd also like to update you about my yesterday's trade. Unfortunately, I put my account because I did got carried away because I leveraged up. Instead of 1 or 2 micros, I just went up to 6 micros. And but also like the trading it wasn't providing me all the information I needed. Like for example, like I was missing that down below, that price actually dived below the overnight low. So I didn't know there was the overnight low there. Otherwise, I could have thought that there would be liquidity sweep from the lows, which is a very usual thing to do. With that said, I've been again with a new account from 2550k, and now I'm back on the Sierra chart as I used to be. So I spent the morning a few hours just setting up again. I'm gonna use the same concept ICT as before, in alignment with high time frames. The market is extremely bullish. I'm not sure if there was any other news, but since the morning it just rallied up. So let's go now on the screen. So the price is about here now, and that's yesterday's price. So we are up about 250 points. So we are all-time highs. We don't know what price is gonna do. Let me show you. We broken long time now. We broke the +2 of the yearly. We just broke above the +2 monthly. So we're the extremes of the weekly as well. So my guess now is that price will try to consolidate or retrace a bit, because there are gonna be big sellers up there. It's OPEX day today as well. So OPEX is when the options are expired and people are trying to close them the last minute. So there's a choppy day, could be volatility. Choppiness is a bit tricky day today. I don't expect much because of the day and because of my setup. I just set it up now, and yeah, just open the charts just to be here and observe. If I see something, I'm gonna take it with just 1 micro and see how it goes. So currently we're above the +2. If the +2 holds with the opening, so let me do a quick plan. Let's do a quick plan. Okay, so let's do okay, we're below the +2, so we may see some retracement. A nice place to take the long would be 1.5 or the +2 here. I don't want to take any shorts today because it's very bullish. I'm not gonna risk it. So this is the only scenarios that I'm thinking about actually. Unless we trace back to the just below here, which is I find it impossible. But we'll see how it goes. It looks like the plus 2 monthly extremes is holding. On the left chart here, I have different high time frames ready. 1, 5, 15 minutes and 30 minutes, so I can draw some quick imbalances. Even though I didn't have time to set up the settings for the colors and the imbalances. See, at the moment there is a 30 minutes imbalance. It seems like there is an hour imbalance, 1 hour imbalance. Let's see if we can draw this on the chart. Just about here. Yeah, so there is a 1 hour imbalance. Let's see if we have any 15 minutes imbalance. Mm. We do have 1 minute imbalance. I'm just looking on this screen now. I have all the imbalances, and this is where I can draw them. think we do have about a 5 minute imbalance. Yeah, there's a nice 5 minute imbalance right below us. So the green is an alignment of imbalance. It's 1 5 minute within a bigger 1 hour, which is the red one. We have one. We see that we found a rejection here at the 1 minute. Sorry, the blue one is yes, that's the 1 minute imbalance, and we have a 5 minute imbalance just below us. 15 minute imbalance is also again here, that I'm not gonna draw it. So another good theory is, except this one and this one, we may see price like exactly like diving. We may get some reject here, or the 1.5 about here or here. Let's see. We got some nice rejection with the 3 minutes to opening. We saw some very bearish order flow here. I was expecting that with the opening. Let's see. We're at the 8-hour imbalance now, but we're not at the high time frame. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Let's see, we're gonna find a nice setup now for longs. So now we're just above the 1.5. Okay, I'm just looking to see if I have the correct symbol for execution. I don't want to execute in normal contracts. Okay, you see now a big retracement. Let's see. Uh, let's see. We've got some liquidity sweep from some lows there. I don't see any entry yet, so just waiting. We're at a good spot. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we're about to break the. Haven't broken the structure yet. Let's see. Big sellers. Big sellers. Let's check the 1.5. There's gonna be some change. We continue lower. We have a 4-hour balance close now. Let's see if I can show that. Oh, no, not yet, because we need to wait for this candle to close. So yeah, we don't have 4 hours yet. I'm just gonna stick with 1 hour. Okay, we found now the price stop for a bit at the 50% of the 1 hour balance. Just gonna get along now. We rejected the 50%. We broke the structure. It was also a nice rejection from the +2 of the yearly. So now I'm looking take some profits at the extremes of the plus 2. We also, that was a nice rejection of the VWAP on the ETH. If we can see, if you can see here, I have both the VWAPs, RTH, KTH. That was a nice rejection where I got into, but I need to place my stop below the VWAP just in case it wants to retest. So I'm looking to take profits now, just about at the plus 2, possibly about here. We saw some rejection now from the 1.5. There isn't 1 minute imbalance here. No, there isn't actually. It was a mistake. Yeah, I don't see any imbalances here. We are going for a nice retest of the 1.5. Let's see if it's gonna hold. If it holds, it's gonna be a nice one. We see here that that one, it was from the 1.5. It couldn't break above, but also couldn't break below because it was, I think, was the 5 minute imbalance of 50%. And now we're breaking. We got into the balances. We got all the fields here, liquidity, and now I think we're trying to just go above. The next point also to take some profits will be here. We're at the DVA high now. We can't break the DVA high. The ETH DVA high. Okay, we grab some liquidity from the 1.5. Let's see. We're way above the previous day highs here. I don't like that price is still holding in there. Just gonna raise my stop a bit. I don't want price to retrace me anymore down here. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it on break even now. We build a structure here, so we shouldn't see the price coming down that low. The 1.5 holds okay so far. Above here is the DVA high, We can't break above the DVA high. Delta is slightly negative. But that doesn't bother me because I know the barriers are really strong. Yeah, and I got taken out. I was thinking of closing it at some point because price was really stalling there, and I was about 8% up there, $80. So just my computer just froze a bit. Yeah, okay. We didn't see liquidity grabbing in there. Try to sell, fail, and I'm going again. I think I'm gonna end up the stream because my computer is lagging very badly. Sorry guys.